I'll guide you through the process of moving your assets from Trust Wallet to your bank account without losing your crypto to network mismatches or getting stuck behind unverified exchange limits. Because Trust Wallet is a decentralized vault, you cannot withdraw directly to a bank, so we must use a centralized exchange as a bridge to convert your tokens into spendable cash. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. Open your preferred centralized exchange like Binance or Coinbase and select Deposit to generate a unique entry address for the specific cryptocurrency you want to move. Match the network precisely, such as choosing BEP20 for BNB or TRC20 for USDT, because sending funds on the wrong blockchain will result in permanent loss. Head over to Trust Wallet, select your asset, and tap Send. Then paste the deposit address you just copied from your exchange. Ensure you have a small amount of the network's native token, like BNB for smart chain transactions, to pay the required gas fees for the transfer. Once the funds arrive on your exchange, use the sell or convert function to trade your crypto for your local fiat currency, like dollars or euros. Navigate to the fiat and spot section of your exchange and select Withdraw to begin the final transfer to your linked bank account. Choose the ACH or real-time payment option to send the cash home, keeping in mind that your bank account name must match your exchange profile to pass security audits. Confirm the transaction with your two-factor authentication to securely authorize the exit of your funds from the crypto ecosystem. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.